I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it.
Alright, so I found an axle on the marketplace and I'm gonna head down to Ogden and check it out. See if it's something that'll work for the truck. Guy, and the axle looks good enough. We'll clean it up, and it doesn't have the perches or the shock mounts on it, which is perfect because that means we just get to put them where we want to. So I'm excited. This is going to be a good fit for the 54, and it's got a limited slip, which means no one wheel peel, no single tire fire. It'll actually do a proper burnout. Not saying we're going to, but just in case one might happen, then this axle will allow us to do said activity. Anyway, we're gonna get this axle back up home and take a look at it. It's another day. We made it back from Ogden. All right, let's ignore that. So here's the axle. This is the Ford 8.8, and it has disc brakes in the rear here, and now I have the calipers. Anyway, we'll get this out and we will take this off and take a peek inside.
Successfully in the shop.
Axle's in the shop. Okay, let me show you what we're going to do today. So we got the axle in, and I'd like to get the cover off of this and just take a peek inside. Yeah, we don't know what's in there. There could be gears, there could be rats, we don't know. So on the cabin, we've got the e-brake rod we need to get out. A couple little miscellaneous doodads like this, you know, the fuel line, the old one. It's got to come out. We also need to get the vacuum and just do a good old whoosh on it, okay? We've got the doors. Now the doors, there's not a lot to these ones. They're not like modern car doors, right? There's not a door panel we need to pull off. It's a solid thing. We do need to get the hinges out, this trim piece. Oh, check us out too. Look, it's got this little cool little rain gutter. Door handle, that needs to come out. Now the hood, stay. So this Mamma Jamma right here has a 3D racing line right here that I don't think it's factory, but we'll have to waller on this side a little bit with the hammer. Can you even reach that with the hammer? Let's see. Yeah, you can totally see the right here.
Can't see the line, can you, Russ?
No.
So we'll have to use our magic hammer and the curve tool thingamajig that we got in the Maddox kit, the body kit. This needs to come off right here. Just in general, there's a lot of cleanup that's got to happen. Possibly if we get around to it, we do need to get the spare tire and the bracket try. behind here. The bed we need to take apart. We gotta get the tailgate off. Hey, is that a different size? What the heck? That's interesting. So I put that on there and seemed like it was. There we go. That was weird.
Weird.
Oh. Well, now it only has like 5 bolts. So I'm gonna put these in a spot where I know I'll lose them. Are you ready?
No.
You're not ready? I'm ready. Let's see what's inside. Come over here.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. That would be bad. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wow. Funky.
It smells funky. Yeah. Well, let's take a peek here. But overall, no chipped teeth. Nothing's missing. So what we'll have to do next is we're gonna get this side loose so we can turn it, because we got to make a full revolution in here. Come over here. Get in here. Get your peepers down in here. All right. So as you can see, there's a smidgen of rust right there. Right down in there on the pinion. Right there. So we'll have to clean these gears up and see how they pan out.
Gina wants to help out.
That's a lot better.
I can feel the metal squishing in my hands. Right here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, as I was picking that up, it was like crunching. Alright, so we're gonna get that tailgate off and we're gonna get the spare tire and this bracket off, which might be interesting. Yeah, looking at the bed here,
She's pretty gone.
it's rotted away. Oh, okay. I think this is welded in.
There's a bolt on this side. Is there a bolt
Is
on
there?
the other side? Yeah.
No, check this out down here. That might need a weld. There's a weld there. Look at the weld though. Grandpa did a pretty good job of welding this. Here's, hang that back up there. I think I want to do this on my truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see right here we have a nice reinforcement weld, big old strap weld. Looks like a stick welder. Grab like a 5/8 or something first. It might be bigger, we'll see.
Grab the whole thing. Why not?
That's a wise man's move.
Hey, 5/8.
Was that right?
Yeah.
That was actually just a very good guess. I see a problem. I gotta somehow hold this. Well, let me get my binoculars.
Again, using the wrong tool to do the right job.
But if it works, is it the wrong answer?
Light on it.
I think so. All right, go for it. Yeah! Woo!
Hey!
Yeah! Check her out.
Amazing.
It still has the... Can I see it?
Chevrolet.
Chevrolet. Cool. Tailgate. I will be taking this to my next tailgate party.
It was obvious the joke was lethal.
Come by today. We have fresh topsoil. We probably can just take the bed outside.
You want to work on the tire?
After the tire.
After the tire?
Yes. Of course. I was just practicing for when we actually take it out, you know, like, and now we can just take it outside? Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Take a wild guess what might be in here. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Ew.
Holy smokes.
Look at that.
Disgusting.
Those are...
Don't touch it. I know.
Holy cow. That's like the mansion of wasp nests right there. Did you get it?
I hope so.
Was it alive?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, now I'm like scared. Right, I'm gonna go get it, suck it. That's the first time the spare tire's been off in ever. It's kind of cool though.
Well, that's all rusted out right there too.
Yeah. That's some weight reduction right down in there. All right, how do we get this off now? Whoa, there's more. I totally didn't even see these.
By the tire.
The tire hit him. Whoa. And then another one. Oh my gosh. Another two. Wow.
Ew.
You know, I thought the first time we did this and found these things, we found a lot.
There's a wasp nest.
Really cool. It's a good sized one.
Gross. There's more.
Another one. There's more.
I'm not looking down there.
There's so many.
Ew.
Still on the mother load. Side.
Okay, so it looks like there's only 4 bolts total. And if we can just like hold this, maybe we can get lucky and it just comes undone. But it looks like you just unscrew those with the screwdriver.
We've been down this road before.
Okay. Okay. Yep. Well, those are getting ground off. Okay. Okay. This one go? Come on.
It's the same.
That one come off.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, we got 1 of 4. Don't think I have a grinder out here. I took it. Yeah, I did. I took it away.
You took it away?
I took it away, okay?
Why? Why must you?
I just wasn't thinking. Where are you? No, that ain't coming off. That ain't coming off.
Give it a go. Yep. Pressure on that side. Okay, now go.
Oh, okay, okay.
Maybe if I put pressure on it.
Okay. You know what that actually did?
Bingo.
Look at that. It just
Wow.
Snapped it.
snapped her clean in half. See if you can hear it hit the bottom. Whoa. That took
So
forever.
amazing.
That was a good 5 seconds.
These have to come undone too. Hey, I got that hammer one.
Tap, 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 tap.
Tap, tap, taparoo.
Taparoo.
Give it a little tappy, tap, tap, taparoo.
Try it. Really send her. Yep.
What's going on?
The bed's falling apart.
Hold on, let's take a look at this.
There's like a dirt line.
What's that supposed to do?
I don't know which way is righty-tighty. It's supposed to, when you hit it, it's supposed to slightly turn it.
Oh,
And then-
I get you.
Yeah. But I don't know which way is which. See, there's that way and that way. I
I would
think
think that would be right, and that should.
I think
be
it's the
loosened,
I think it's
but-
the opposite of what you think.
Okay.
'Cause when this-
I've never used one.
When this
before.
pushes down, it spins this way. Put your back into it. Come on. Hit it, man. All right. Okay. It's officially broke. Oh boy.
Grinder, huh?
Harbor Freight, no!
You mean hobo freight?
What?
I didn't know that broke.
Yeah. It's alright, I think my dad has another socket we can try. We have the air chisel.
Air chisel.
Nice! So this time we actually have real Teflon tape. So we're gonna try a Hobo Freight sandblaster, and we got some walnuts. And we're gonna go with it. Let's see if it works. And cut!
I don't think that's how you're supposed to do that.
This is how you do it. I mean, come on, look at it. It's fine.
I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it.
Yep, I need safety glasses.
I took precautions.
Juno, go work on the electrical that I told you to. Much better. Oh yeah. I'm out. I need a reload. Hold up. Oh, wasn't on.
That helps.
Okay, now it's on. Hey, it's definitely doing something. We're on. Here we go. That's better. Wow. She blew a hole right through it.
How much, I think we should just switch to one grit.
We probably should. You know, I'd probably need to vacuum this out. It did do some, but not quite the level I wanted. See right here, like right here. We might still work on maybe the smaller stuff, but you can see we just went and did that. We just tried some on the cabin. It didn't do really what I wanted. So they also have different grits. I know this is like walnut, but dang, a little bummer. Yep. Anyway, on the back, I don't know.
I'm gonna edit that part out.
Where's the? Oh, it's right there on the ground. Yeah, I think you're right.
Gina,
That's
do
a
you
half.
have a drink here?
Oh, it's a half. Okay, wish me luck. Here we go. Nope. Yep. Here we go. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Why are you recording me?
I don't know. Because you're just cool. Just like high five with me.
Girl. Oh, stay here. So,
Oh.
come here. Over here. How come that one doesn't have them on the inside?
We already took them off.
Oh, you guys are quick. Dang.
Bottom one. That's not fitting either.
Come try this one again.
That looks like it's just rusted off.
So it's a rusted off 16th.
Yep.
Okay, try this one again.
That looks like it's got rust
Do you need the?
vice strips.
That's a man.
You have some vice grips?
Yeah.
Hey, it moved.
No.
Oh my gosh.
We are gaining progress.
Nice.
Yeah, I bet your hand's numb.
Check that out.
The front of that is definitely,
It's a little crisp up there.
yeah, she's got some,
A little deep
We
fried.
found that out earlier.
there are wasp nests down in the,
Is there?
in the side there.
If you wiggle it enough, it should come out.
Knowing how my dad welded,
She's solid.
I'm pretty sure that's grinder material.
Oh boy. I don't have my grinder. So, you don't think we can wiggle it?
You might.
Oh.
You might.
Well, at least the part that Grandpa fixed is holding.
Yeah, that part's the one that's holding.
So you just say now, huh?
You say things like now, huh?
Good.
Touche.
You got that air chisel thing.
Yeah, we too got that air
I
chisel.
don't think they'll cut through that.
We can get a hand chisel.
Go for it.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Yep, I'll get the chisel.
What did you do?
What'd I do? What'd you do? You know who does a great impression of a hot dog?
Wow. Good job.
For those watching this in VR, yeah, you're dead. You're blind. Do you think anybody watches our videos in VR?
I have no idea. Probably not.
I'm pretty sure there's that one person with an Oculus.
Are you talking about you?
No. No. Definitely not.
Well, we had dinner.
Yeah.
It was catered.
We had Costa Vida brought in.
Yep, Costa Vida. The whole coast.
The whole coast,
Yeah.
right?
With the Vita. Chips and queso. Sweet pork burritos.
That sounds so good
Oh, it
right
was
now.
good. Yeah.
So I got this now. I also have earplugs in, so I don't hurt my ears this time. Okay, here we go.
Ow.
Rattled out another wasp nest.
Jeez. Hey, Kaylin.
Don't do it.
Watch this.
Don't do it.
And his trip and like his whole head was that way, and I was telling the guy. So that was that story.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah!
I'll beat you with this.
Manager.
I'll beat you with this camera.
I'm calling your manager.
Watch out!
I'm watching out.
See, look. So now. Oh,
Scrap.
man.
Ooh, I'm gonna touch the exhaust pipe. Don't do what I'm doing, kids. Juno petting break.
Petting break. Alright. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So we're starting on the passenger door. And the reason we're starting on the passenger door is because it was the closest that we could find. You know what? We should like glue one of these to the, or if not, we gotta get like a sticker that's like one of these.
Yes.
That'd be kind of fun. I don't know, maybe not. I don't even know if you want that, Grandpa. So let us know in the comments. So we gotta loosen the bolts holding this thingamajig. And we gotta get these, each one of these out around here for this trim. So that's the regulator, there it is.
Yeah.
That's as far as it goes.
What's this? Oh,
That's the door opener handler.
that's a latch. The doorknob to
Oh hey, I found out the name of these screws.
What are they?
flathead.
They're called clutch head screws.
What?
Yeah, clutch head.
Sir, you're getting paid $3 an hour now.
$3 an hour?
Yeah.
Plus bonus 25 cents.
You can buy yourself some M&Ms.
Yep, it's a wasp nest collector's dream here.
Whoa.
That sounded like a tool chest falling down the stairs. Hey, if one of you wants to, this has come out. So Kyler, do you want to take this out?
Oh yeah, I can take that out.
Almost hit me in the face with the broom.
So I have to get rid of this little thing. See, that thing, I have to get that out, and I don't know how to do that. That's what I wanted. Wow.
Which, by the way, you're doing awesome. Keep it up. Look at this. Look at this work.
Precision.
You can tell it's a mastered screw remover. It's all in the wrist. Let's see what happens here.
Did you just throw this at me? What is that? Looks like entrails.
Gross.
Oh, wait. Which one did it come out of?
That one
Wait.
came out of there.
What about this one? Oh, gotcha. Wait, where did it come out of? The short one?
Short one came out of right there.
Oh, boy. Okay, remember, we've got to watch this episode to remember that that's this screw. This screw right here.
Watch this amazing man doing an amazing task.
No, I try.
You're still doing it.
You know, I think I'll grab the vacuum real quick. You take that. Look it up. Look at. Oh my gosh! Come here, vacuum.
Sir, I'm recording this. Yeah, okay.
This
It's a clutch head screwdriver. Hey, question.
Get all the
for
girls'
ya.
attention.
We're gonna try to, like, I'd say
You're
this
doing
one
an
might have to
amazing
leave in
job.
there. Like,
Are you
take off.
moving it?
Yeah, that is kind of the goal.
See,
That'll work.
Thing is, I need it to move the other way.
well, try prying like right there.
Okay.
Okay, your hand's in the way, so I don't know how to record.
Welcome to the game show. Can Kyler pry it out?
And you get it undone.
Good grief.
Oh. Look at that. Totally got it.
Hope you're not wearing contacts.
Which we're gonna
I
need
don't
some-
have glasses. I have 20/20 vision.
I don't.
We're gonna have to get the rest of the door apart later.
A special screwdriver for those screws.
Yeah, it's a clutch head screwdriver. We would have to work around this, or leave it in there. Cause like we'd have to leave that in there, work around it, or we gotta grind it off and then weld it back on. I'd say this one we might have to just leave in there. That'll work. I hope.
My gosh.
Did you record that?
No.
Did you record that?
Kyle wasn't recording.
Oh my.
He couldn't get the washer off.
No, because there's that little lip, and then this guy just pops up and it's just like, oh yeah, do it this way. Pops it off.
But you still need to figure out how to get this out.
Yeah.
Because it won't slide all the way.
Yeah.
So now you gotta work on that guy. So I got the washer out for you. Now you figure out the rest.
Look at Juno. She could be in here with us, but she's just out there.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Do you think we can get this undone? Good grief! Come on! Ah, dang it.
Nope. Oh, just a drain.
Yep. Drain for water.
Water drains.
I need the can.
A couple of them there.
We are at a halt because of this clutch head one.
Because of a clutch.
Clutch head. Didn't these have door panels on them?
No,
Well,
I don't remember.
like this section looks like it had.
Did, but it doesn't.
So why was it gray inside?
I believe so.
So it was blue outside, gray inside. We're gonna need some new hinges. Look at this one.
Yeah, I just saw that when I was messing with it. You didn't realize it was that.
Yeah, they're wore out a bit. Can we get this out? This should be able to pull out. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Clips on it.
So pull it straight up. There you go. There's no window channel. There it goes. It's going. It's going.
When?
All right. So we're running into like the nitty gritty now, where we're trying to get like the old rusty stuff out. Running into a bit of a roadblock with the clutch, brake pedal, the e-brake pedal. We're trying to get that out.
Pretty much everything.
Yeah, we're trying to get everything. We got the bed apart. We got that wheel thingy off. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good one.
And cut.